Okay, today I'm installing the filter for my transmission, oil for my 2011 to get all the, so that way you can access to the battery and you can pop it out. Pop the pins out. Let's see. Okay, 1, 2. Let's take this hood out. Now you can access the battery. Now remove the nut of the battery holder. Now remove the positive and negative battery terminal. Okay, put it aside and put it aside. Now I'll take the battery out. Okay, remove this bolt out to remove this electrical box. Remove this clip right here on that side and this side. And pop it out and pull it up. Pop this two clip out, the front and back, and then pull it out and put it on the side. There's another clip right there. Pop it out and pull it aside and unbolt the battery box. This is the battery box, and unbolt this bolt right here. Okay, remove that clip right here, and there's another clip right in back there, and there's another one on. There's a bolt right there, and there's a bolt to the left right there. Right there one and right there. Okay, I got that two bolt out, and I used the magnetic to pick up the bolt. This one. Other one. Now everything come off. Oh, that's this pin right here too. I'm gonna pop it out. Zip tie on the bottom. Stick my hand in there. Pop this out. One, two. Whew, okay. Now you can take the bracket out. Now you can access the oil filter. It's right there. There's two bolts that hold the filter. There's one right. Let's see. One right there. I got halfway out. And one right there. I got halfway out. There's one more screws right there. That's three 10mm screws. Bolt. 3 10mm bolt. Okay, get the bracket out. And get the filter out. There's like a popping clip right there. What do you want to pop it out to get the bracket out? There's C clip right there. Just pop it out, top and bottom, and pull the filter out. Get the top hose out, and I need to get the bottom hose out now. Okay, got the filter out, and easier to pop the clip on the side, and use a flat screwdriver, and pop. Try to press this one, it slide. When the hose slide out, it just keeps sliding off easier. So don't yank it. Just use a screwdriver, put it in the gap between the hose and the filter, and push it up like this around it, and then just pull it out. It really slide out easier. Okay, got a new filter. I'm gonna install it. Slide the hose, pull the clip up, pinch this, slide the top hose down, pinch it, and then you're done. Then we're going to do it. I got one clip in. One more to go. I got the top clip into. Now just put everything back and I'm done. I got that bolt in. Okay, I got 2 bolts that hold the bracket to the oil transmission filter down. That's one right there and one right there. Okay, install the battery case back and bolt it down. There's one right there, one right there, one right there, and one right below this wire. Okay, got the 4 bolts, 2 down there, one right here, one right here, and this bolt down, and then pop the clip on the back of the battery in right there, and pop the clip on the side and slide the fuse box down right here, and you're done. Put the black plastic battery base down. Put the battery down. Install the 2 battery bracket, one right here. Install the positive and negative, and then install the plastic part right here, and you're done. And pop in the 2 clip, the air hose, and that's it. After you complete your oil filter transmission installation, after you disconnect the battery, and they ask for the radio code. The radio code is on the side of the glove compartment. It's right there.